ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each attendee. May we honor one another by keeping an open mind. Sit that's outside this room and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for the wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
It's once again good morning. The presiding officer for today's activity and other than our staff director and current Education Awards Committee Chairperson, Attorney Vincent Boss R. Bartolome. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning, my staff committee members, secretariat, and Sita Baldidu, as well as our participating leaders today. This meeting is now called to order. May we ask the back secretariat to kindly confirm the message. Yes, Mr. Chair, we have a quorum despite the absence of non-attendance as of this moment of our Vice Chairperson. In this regard, please allow me to state the names of those who are in attendance besides the Chairperson. Engineer Benedicto and Cabral, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Engineer Benedict Lisago, good morning, sir. Miss Bethelyn C. Samosa, good morning.
Good morning po.
Miss Sofia M. Batilara. And the provisional member and user for today is Miss Mayra Lynn Sabian. So in attendance, Mr. Chair, are members of the technical working group headed by Miss Alpidelia Esperlado, which is beside me. Good morning. Miss Rochelle Andy Palapal. Morning, ma'am. Mr. Sir Paul Claire Erico Bitampo. Good morning, sir. Miss Jaya Pitches Algavan. Good morning, ma'am. Mr. Andrew Panganiba. Good morning, sir. Mr. Adrian Patrick Giandan. Good morning, sir. And Miss April O. Burgos.
Good morning po.
That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Mr. Vice Secretariat, with the existence of a forum, we will now proceed with the overall business.
The agenda for today, Mr. Chair. At 9:30 a.m. The opening bids and bid evaluation for the procurement project entitled Base of One Lot Varus Printing Machines, including supply and delivery of consumables and provision of technical supporting services through framework agreement under NTO BAC FAL 006-26 with an ABC of 5 million pesos. At 1:30, supply, delivery, installation, and testing of punch, spin, and die for web machines 1, 2, and 3 under NPO BAC 005-26 with its ABC of 2,496,000 pesos. The first project, Mr. Chair, is the third posting. This is the bidding. We now go to the presentation of the general rules. Please proceed.
General rules.
During the conference, all participants are expected to follow the general rules to ensure an orderly proceeding. Participants are requested to arrive on time. Bidders' authorized representatives who are physically present at the venue shall register and sign the official attendance sheet, while those participating through online platforms must indicate in the chat box their company name, company address, authorized representatives, email, and contact numbers. Proper meeting decorum must be observed at all times. Participants are required to keep their mobile phones on silent mode, observe courtesy and professionalism, and raise their hand if they wish to speak, waiting to be recognized by the presiding officer before doing so. All questions should be relevant to the subject matter being discussed, and unauthorized recording of the proceedings is strictly prohibited. Failure to comply with these rules may result in consequences, including a warning for minor violations or removal from the conference in cases of serious or repeated violations.
Mr. Chair, we'd like to acknowledge now the presence of our Vice Chairperson, Engineer Neri Mahara. In adherence to the requirements of Republic Act 12009 and its IRR, particularly Section 43 thereof, we endeavored to send invitations to the following observers: Ms. Clarice E. Palitic, State Auditor 3, Audit Team Leader of the Office of the Resident Auditor at the National Printing Office on June 25, 2026. To the Executive Director of the Philippine Business Social Progress on June 25, 2026. The Office of the President of the National Printing Office Workers Association on even day. To the Secretary General of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry on the same day, June 25, 2026, and to the Manager of Consumer Operations of the National Printing Office Multipurpose Cooperative on June 25, 2026. In this regard, may I ask the body to recognize our participating bidders from Mercury International Security Printing Corporation, Mr. Sunny De Guzman, good morning, sir. And Ms. Judith Villaganas, good morning, ma'am. To proceed, the Box Secretariat received the following bids for this project. Only one submitted, Mr. Chair, that is Mercury International Security Printing Corporation. We submitted their bid on 9:05 a.m. this morning. Then I'm prepared for the presentation of the technical component and bid, Mr. Chair, with your approval, may I request the body to recognize as presenter Ms. Ira Chantel Ilaos and Ms. Bernadette Purity.
Good morning, everyone. Presenting to you the mother envelope submitted by Mercury International Security Printing Corp. for the lease of mandatory printing machines, including supply and delivery of consumables with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement with identification number NPO-BC-FAL-006-26. The mother envelope was properly marked, signed and sealed. Mr. Chair, may we proceed in the opening statement? financial component envelope, both properly marked, signed, and sealed. The financial envelope will be turned over to the back chairman as soon as the bidder was declared eligible for opening. Mr. Chair, may we proceed in the opening of the technical envelope?
Kindly proceed.
First requirement submitted by the bidder is the Philgip Certificate of Registration of Platinum Membership issued on December 5, 2025 and valid until December 5, 2026. With attached Annex A, SEC Certificate Registration Date February 8, 1989, Mayor's Permit Expiration Date January 26, 2027, Tax Clearance Expiration Date April 8, 2027, Audited Financial Statement Date of Filing May 14, 2026, Pickup License not applicable. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their single largest completed contract. The bidder submitted contract under National Printing Office, date of contract January 13, 2025, for the lease of one lot various machines with provision of technical support and services including consumables, framework agreement identification number, NPO-BEC-FAL-014-24. Amount of contract 18 million pesos, date of delivery January 12, 2026, with attached copy of notice to execute framework agreement, certificate of completion and acceptance with at least a satisfactory rating, signed by Ms. Judith C. Villagan. Showing you the certification of completion and acceptance with satisfactorily rated. With attached a summary report of the completed project. And a copy of the framework agreement. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their non-financial contracting capacity. The bidder submitted a total computation of their NFCT amounting to 1,243,031,766 pesos, signed by Ms. Judith Villeganas. Next requirement is the ongoing government and private contract. The bidder listed none for government and 3 under private, with total outstanding value of outstanding contracts of 65,868,039 pesos, signed again by Ms. Judith C. Villaganas. Next requirement is the notarized deed securing declaration. And the notarized deed securing declaration was signed again by Ms. Judith C. Villaganas, dated July 10, 2026, and notarized by Attorney Ananias V. Berad Jr. with MCLE Compliance Number 8. Next requirement is the bidder's conformity with the Section 6, Section 7, and supplemental bid bulletin is applicable. Showing you the Section 6 framework agreement is again signed by Ms. Judith P. Villaganas. And the bidder's conformity and the statement of compliance under Section 7 Technical Specifications. Again, signed by Ms. Judith C. Villaganas. And the bidder also attached their compliance on the supplemental bid bulletin. Next requirement is the bidder's notarized omnibus sworn statement. Again, signed by Ms. Judith C. Villaganas, dated July 10, 2026 by the same notary public. Next requirement is the bidder's secretary's certificate. Showing you the secretary's certificate authorizing Ms. Judith C. Villaganas as the authorized representative for the said project, signed by their corporate secretary, Leonardo G. Manalastas Jr., dated July 10, 2026 by the same notary public. Mr. Chair, that concludes our presentation for the technical proposal of the bidder.
The PWD's request and suspension.
Upon examination of the required contents of the technical component envelope submitted by Mercury International Security Printing Corporation, specifically the valid and updated PhilJet Certificate of Registration, Platinum Membership, including Annex A, original and duly signed statement of the bidder, single largest completed contract, with attached certificate of acceptance with at least satisfactory rating, the bidder's original and duly signed computation of net financial contracting capacity, the bidder's original and duly signed statement of all its ongoing government and private contracts, original copy of duly notarized bid securing declaration, conformity with the technical specifications under Section 6 and 7 of the bidding documents and supplemental bid bulletin, original duly signed and authorized omnibus sworn statement, and original notarized secretary certificate. The technical working group respectfully recommends, finds the submission to be complete, and respectfully recommends that the committee proceed with the opening of its financial component envelope.
It's a recommendation from the PWG before the body. Any motion?
Move to adopt the recommendation of the CWD.
Second motion. There no objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby carried from Bureau of Trade. Dr. Secretary, please proceed with the opening of the meeting.
The bidder submitted 3 pages financial proposal. All pages were duly signed by the representative. The bid offer submitted by the bidder was 4,800,000 pesos. 2000. Bid offer again was signed by Ms. Judith P. Villagan. During the submitted price schedule, same amount of the bid offer, 4,800,000 pesos. And again signed by Ms. Judith P. Villagan. And that again, Mr. Chair, concludes our presentation for the financial proposal of the bidder.
Upon examination of the required contents of the financial component envelope submitted by Mercury International Security Printing Corporation, specifically the original and duly signed accomplished financial bid form and original and duly signed and accomplished price schedule, the TWG finds submission complete and compliant with the requirements. Accordingly, the TWG respectfully recommends the formal acceptance of the financial proposal and further recommends that the bid be considered for detailed bid evaluation to determine its calculated price.
Motion, is recommendation submitted to the committee. Motion,
Ano po the recommendation nito?
Second the motion.
there is objection, seeing none, the recommendation of the PWD has been duly approved. The bidder is hereby declared pass subject to bid evaluation and cost qualification in accordance with the applicable document. Like extend our authorization and bidders to the bidder who has promoted the payment of the PWD is hereby directed to proceed with bid evaluation and undertake the necessary cost